Hi students, now we are discussing very important concept, elimination versus substitution. Most of the students will confuse in competitive exams in alkyl halides lesson whether elimination reaction takes place or substitution reaction takes place. Okay, so now we'll see some okay some concepts, then you will understand okay how to find whether elimination reactions are taking place or substitution reactions are taking place. See, for that 3 points are very important. Those are: first, analyze the substrate and determine expected mechanism. First analyze the substrate, then expect the mechanism, either SN1 or SN2 or E1 or E2. Second point, determine the function of reagent. So take the what reagent used and what is the function of the reagent and solvent effect. These three are okay. Step 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll see first one. Okay, analyze the substrate. First, analyze the substrate. Okay, the substrate, the substrate. It may be methyl or primary or secondary or tertiary or allyl, benzyl, halide. Anyone among these? Okay. CH3, primary, secondary, tertiary. CH3, what type of reactions participate? Only SN2. Elimination not possible. Elimination beta carbon means second carbon. 2 carbons are compulsory for beta elimination. No elimination, no beta carbon, no elimination. Remember, methyl only one carbon, no. Primary participate SN2, E2, SN2, E2, but E2 slow reaction. Secondary participate in SN2, SN1, E2, E1. Most confuses part is the secondary alkyl halide. SN2, SN1, E2, E1. 4 it can show. Next, tertiary. Tertiary participate SN1, E2, E1. Okay. This is the substrate effect. Next, reagent. Okay. Next, reagent. So generally 4 types of reagents there. 4 types of reagents. Second, reagents. 4 types of reagents there. Only nucleophile. Only nucleophile. Only base. Only base. Strong nucleophile. Come strong base. Reagent can act like nucleophile also, base also. Strong nucleophile, strong base. And the last one is weak nucleophile, weak base. Weak nucleophile, base. Okay. Only nucleophile, only base, strong nucleophile, strong. So only nucleophile examples: Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, SH minus, Rs minus H2S R2S RHS. Okay, only base H minus RNaH. Tertiary butoxide LDA, DBN, DBU. What are these DBN, DBU? These are bulky groups, very bulky groups. Just search in Google, you will come to know what is DBN, DBU. These are bulky bases. Bulky base. Okay, bulky base always behaves like a base. Okay. Next, strong nucleophile come base. OH minus, CH3O minus, C2H5O minus. These type of things are bulky base. Strong nucleophile comes strong base. Next, water, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. These are weak base and nucleophiles. Okay. Yeah. Now, when we take only nucleophile, okay, this nucleophile when react with primary, secondary, tertiary, what type of reactions takes place we'll see. Only nucleophile primary, it participate SN2, secondary SN2, tertiary SN1. If you take only nucleophile, primary alkyl halide SN2, secondary alkyl halide SN2, tertiary alkyl halide SN1. Okay. Next, only base when reacted with primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary participate E2 mechanism, secondary participate E2 mechanism, tertiary participate E1 mechanism. Next, third one, strong nucleophile come base. Strong nucleophile come base reacted with primary, secondary, tertiary. Strong nucleophile come base when react with primary, it will participate SN2 and E2. SN2 major, E2 minor. Secondary, SN2 same major, E2 minor. It's next tertiary. See, primary minor very less product will. Okay. Tertiary will participate only E2. Next, weak nucleophile come base react with primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary weak nucleophile only SN2, that is very slow. Secondary SN1 and E1, that also. So E1 at high temperatures will take place. Tertiary SN1 E1 at high temperatures. Okay. See this data is very important. If you don't know, it is very difficult to find out what type of products are forming. Okay, don't take it easy. Please note down this one. See the last one, solvent effect, the third important point, solvent effect. Generally we are using two types of solvents, polar protic, polar aprotic. Polar protic favors SN1E1, polar aprotic favors SN2E2. Okay, so in presence of polar protic solvents, I minus stronger base than Br minus than Cl minus than I minus, sorry, F minus, nucleophilic strength. In presence of polar aprotic solvents, F minus is stronger nucleophile than Cl minus, than Br minus, than I minus, nucleophilic strength. So what do you understand based on this? In presence of polar protic solvent, bigger ion is better nucleophile. In presence of polar aprotic solvents, smaller ion is better nucleophile. Okay. Now let's see a beautiful example. Okay, so what type of reactions takes place? Either SN1, SN2, E1, E2, what? First, find out what type of substrate. This is a primary one, correct? No, it is a primary one. Generally primary participate in what? Generally primary participate SN2, E2, correct? Primary participate SN2, E2. E2 is little slower. Okay. Next, NaOH. NaOH is what type of reagent? NaOH is what type of reagent? It is strong nucleophile come strong base. It is strong nucleophile, strong base. So strong nucleophile means SN2 reaction will take place. SN2 reaction will take place. Okay. SN2 is major and E2 is minor. E2 is minor. Okay. Yeah. NaSH. NaSH, Na plus SH minus. It is a strong nucleophile. Only strong nucleophile. It is not base. Only strong nucleophile. So strong nucleophile means it will take place only SN2. So only SN2. Next, tertiary butoxide. Tertiary butoxide is strong base. Strong base. Strong base means only E2 reaction will take place. E2 reaction takes place. Only E2 reaction takes place. Next, DBN. DBN, I told you it is a bulky group. It is also a strong base. So in presence of strong base, what? Nucleophilics does not take place because base means elimination reaction. Okay. Therefore, only E2 reaction takes place. Next, NaOMe. NaOMe means Na plus OMe minus. OMe minus means it is a strong nucleophile and base. It acts like strong nucleophile also, strong base also. Therefore, SN2 is major, SN2 is major, E2 is minor, E2 is minor. Remember students, E2 elimination generally it takes place at high temperatures. Temperature also important. At high temperatures reaction takes place. temperatures. Okay, high temperatures. Okay, when we are using strong nucleophile base, nuclear substitution also takes place, elimination also takes place, but substitution dominates the elimination. Substitution dominates the elimination. Okay. Secondary. Secondary. Yeah. Second example. Second example. Now tell me, this is primary or secondary or tertiary? This is a secondary. Secondary participate SN2, SN1, E1, E2. Most confuses part. Okay. Okay, we'll see. NaOET. Na plus ETO minus means it's a strong nucleophile, strong base. NaI in presence of DMSO, NaI, it's a strong nucleophile. DBU, strong base. NaOH, strong nucleophile and base. Tertiary butoxide, strong base. Okay, strong nucleophile come base. Then strong nucleophile SN2 E2. SN2 E2. But SN2 major, E2 minor. Next, strong nucleophile, only SN2 will take. Strong base, only E2 will take place. Strong nucleophile come base. Then SN2 and E2 both will take place. But SN2 is major, E2 is minor. Tertiary butoxide, strong base, elimination, only elimination. E2 reaction takes place. Okay. Yeah. Now, third example. Tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide generally participate SN1, E1, E2. Correct? Yes. E2OH. Ethyl alcohol. Weak nucleophile come weak base. Weak nucleophile, weak base. Weak nucleophile, weak base. Tertiary butoxide, strong base. NaI, strong nucleophile. NaOET, ETO minus, strong nucleophile, come base. NaOH, strong nucleophile come base. Okay, now alkyl tertiary and weak nucleophile come base, SN1 and E1, but SN1 is major, E1 is minor. Tertiary butoxide, strong base, E2. Strong nucleophile, SN2 is not possible. Then SN1, NaOET, strong nucleophile come base, then E2 elimination, E2 elimination. If it is a strong nucleophile come base, then E2 reaction will take place. E2 reaction will take place. Only strong nucleophile elimination not possible. No, that's why SN1. Strong base, E2. Weak nucleophile base, SN1, E1. But SN1 is major, E1 is minor. Okay.